In this clip, I will show you how to make the frog base. The frog base starts out also with the preliminary base. So starting with the preliminary base and the open sides towards you, take the raw edge and fold it so that it aligns with the center crease. Same thing on this side. We are going to do this for all 4 sections of the preliminary base. Turn the unit over and do the same thing on this side. Fold the raw edge into the center. These are guiding creases for our future steps. Make them nice and sharp so we'll be able to see them in the future. Open the flaps back up so that you have your original preliminary base, and taking one of the sections of the preliminary base, we are going to open and squash fold. Squash fold this one section. There are 4 sections that we need to squash. Turn the unit to the other side, squash fold this one section. Now we have this section to squash fold, so fold this flap to the left, lift up this section, and squash fold.